Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Kong versus the Drowned Viper from Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Kong versus the Drowned Viper, let's begin with Kong. So I'm going to start right here, and let's start by making a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up and down here in like a check mark shape. Next, we're going to make a little curved line up. Then let's make another line that's going to go up and then down just a little bit. Next, for the eye, let's just kind of curve a little circle around here, and we'll do the same thing over here. Then let's just go ahead and add a little line or two underneath his eyes, just to kind of give it a little bit of detail. For the nose, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve around like this, and another one's going to curve around like this. Next, we're going to bring this line up and down, and this one up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down here, and then we'll make a little bump, and we're going to bring this up and down. And that'll be kind of like his eyebrow ridge. Now I'm going to make a little line down the middle and a couple little lines across for some wrinkles on his nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve a line down. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come up and down like this, and then we're going to go down here for his mouth. Then let's bring this line across. Let's go ahead and finish off his mouth. Let's make a big bump here and a big bump here for his teeth. Then we'll make some smaller bumps here. Then let's make a small bump here with a few smaller ones and another big one here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down, and another one's going to curve up and down here. I'm going to curve this around and back here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down here for the tongue. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come down here for the side of the mouth. And then a line that's going to come down here. It's going to jump over here. Next, we're going to make lines going to curve down and around like this. Another one's going to go down and up. We'll make this side of the face and kind of curve this down. We'll bring this part of the eye down. Then we're going to curve this line around. And then we're going to curve this line around for the sides of the face. Next, we're going to make some little pointed lines for the side of the head. We're going to bring these up to here and kind of bring them down. Next, let's bring this line down, kind of out, and then in. Kind of bring it towards here. Bring a line down here and a curve for the ear. Then I'm going to bring some pointed lines down and then up here for like a beard. Next, I'm going to curve a line like this for the shoulder. Then I'm going to curve a line like this for the bicep. And then I'm going to bring this line up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curve it around. Then I'm going to curve it down to here. Then we're going to leave this part alone because we're going to draw the Drowned Viper, and then we'll add more detail in here. Next over here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line down for part of the arm. Let's go ahead and bring a line that's going to come down and over here for the chest. Next, we're going to curve a line around here for the other part of the chest. Bring this line down. Then we're going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to kind of curve this line down here. I'm going to bring this line in and this line in for some detail. Then we're going to bring this line in, another line in here, and we'll do a line down here for some detail. Then we're going to add some more fur on this side. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down here. Next, for the drowned viper, let's begin by making a line that's going to come down and up like this. Make a little curve here for the eye. Then we're going to make a couple little curved lines around the eye. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out like this and then down. Bring this line up and down and back like this. Then I'm going to bring this line over to here. I want to bring this down. Then I'm going to curve this line up to here. Draw a line here with a couple more little lines for the back of the mouth. Then we're going to put some sharp teeth in here on our drowned viper. And some sharp teeth right here. Next, I'm going to put some curves here. Then I'm going to make a nice big spike right here that kind of curves around. Then I'll put another big spike that's going to kind of go off the paper. Then I'm going to make some broken lines. They're going to come kind of down like this. Then I'll make another curved line here, and I'm going to bring this line down here. Then I'm going to bring this line right to here for Kong's arm. And let's put a couple little curved lines up here. Kind of looks like where he's really grabbing the drowned viper by the throat. Next, I'm going to make some little lines that are going to kind of just come right off the paper. I want to make some long, kind of pointed spikes like this. Then we're going to make some long lines that kind of curve around like this. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to kind of curve one here. Next, we're going to make some long, kind of broken lines coming down our drowned viper. Then we're going to make some long lines that kind of curve around here and kind of come down. Then I like to make these kind of like long, broken curved lines. Kind of helps give our drowned viper a little bit of like dimension, makes him look a little bit more realistic. Going to add some curves on the face here and a few little kind of broken lines right around the mouth. And we'll do a little line that kind of comes down here. I like to add some little kind of broken lines right along the spikes here. And we can even do it on these kind of fin shapes too. Just a little quick fun extra detail in there. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of detail on Kong, just some kind of little broken lines right around here. Maybe a little broken line right here, just kind of show where his muscle is. Kind of a few by his hair. And a few right here. And then let's kind of add the pupil. Let's kind of add a little curved line down here. And let's make two little dots in the eyes right up here for his pupils. And there you go, there's your drawing of Kong versus the drowned viper. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.